How to increase your YouTube playback speed for more than 2x. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that you could increase your playback speed for more than 2x? Yes, it's possible. As you can see on the screen, when I type on this bookmark, it asks me for the desired playback speed, which can be more than 2x. For example, if I have set it to 4 and then tap on OK, the video will be played in that speed. The process to do so is quite simple. So let's get started. First of all, right click anywhere on your bookmark section and then tap on New Page. Then in the name section you can write in anything what you want, but for the URL section you have to paste the script that is given on the description box. Once you have pasted it and tap on Save, now whenever you play a video you can tap on that bookmark and give the desired speed for the playback. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.